gracias. I've never been good at Spanish. It's been a few days since Brian's test passes at Benson. I'm back at the house. I'm working on this truck I've been working on. Picked me up a 86 crew cab dually, bullnose F350 with the 6.9 diesel and a C6. It's 2-wheel drive, and it even came with the aftermarket ATS turbo kit already. So I'm just going through, kind of restoring it. I'll flip you guys around so you can see. Boom! Look at there, moving magic. She ain't much. She's old, but I'm going through her, kind of restoring her, fixing her up. Haven't really touched much of the outside yet. As you can see, I've got all the interior out. I'm gonna pull this rubber mat out because they had carpet on top of it, but I'm gonna clean it all out. They got a couple little rust spots here and there. It needs a new windshield. I'm gonna clean everything up with a a wire wheel. Paint anything that needs to be painted. I'm going through some of the wiring. Somebody had packed up all the wiring, but it runs and drives. AC works, heat works. Got some parts ordered from Rock Auto. Some little nitpicky parts that need to be done, gaskets and shit. I need to get me a new steering wheel. This one is coming apart. The guy said cruise did work before the steering wheel fell apart. But yeah, this is gonna be my new tow rig. I've always wanted a bullnose crew cab dually. I found this one up in Wilkesboro. I think it's been about 3 weeks ago now. Drove it around a little bit, made sure everything worked, and then started pulling it apart. There's no tags or anything on it right now, and I'm just taking my time going through it. There's no rush. The car's still at Brian's. You can see them all dirty from pressure washing that carpet. But car's still at Brian's. Waiting on him still to button up one or two things on some other stuff. We're gonna get my car in there. Hush! Them dog's so mad that I ain't inside with them. Oh yeah. A lot of you that go to the track know we got a Rottweiler about 6-7 months ago now. That's him. His name's Kratos. It was Kristen's graduation present. Hush! And he has grown a ton. We'll probably have him down at Darlington and Dig or Die. So the guys that watch, that actually keep up and know about him, he'll be there. But here he is. What is it, fat boy? He's all wet. Him and the other dog played in a damn pressure washer. There's Cookie and Jeff and Hooch and Jersey. But yeah, that's them. He's gotten big. He's probably 65-ish pounds. He's like a damn cat. You go to pick him up and he just like melts. What are you doing, Cook? What are you doing, Cook? Whoa. Can we help you? Can we help you? But yeah, let's take you over here. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see much how dark it is. This This shed doesn't have any power ran to it. But, you see, I've redone the interior in black. Oh, it actually picks up pretty well. There's my heads tucked over there. But, it was originally blue, obviously. The seats and everything are in great shape. One or two little spots need to be fixed. But the truck's got 56,000 miles on it. It may have rolled over once, but that's about it. See, the batteries, brought them in here to charge because they were dead. They're brand new, but I think it's got a draw on it somewhere. Yeah, that's all I'm doing right now. But remember, this weekend we are headed to, well, me, Kristen will be out of town with Brian's woman. They'll be in Illinois for a wedding. So, me, Harper, Brantley, Brian, the regular group. We'll be down at Red Springs for John Doc's invitational race. Hang on, I got somebody pulling in my driveway. Old lady done lost her dog. 14-year-old Chihuahua. Wandered off. But anyway, back to what I was saying. John Doc's race this weekend. Friday, they're having the like a shootout in the gamblers race. First and second place in the gamblers race automatically get entered into the race on Saturday, which is for $20,000, winner take all. We're hoping to show up and show out. I'll be out there taking pictures and helping with KillDozer, helping Harper and Brian with KillDozer. Then we have Clifton's race on the 30th of October down at Rockingham. They're having a trunk or treat and whatnot for all the kids. I think he's having a costume contest, some other stuff. It's going to be really fun. It's going to be set up pretty much like Pageland. I think small tires running 8th mile and everything else is quarter mile index. I'm not 100% sure on that one. You have to check the flyer. I've got to check the flyer. I know gates open at 3, so that's about what time we're going to be there. Racing starts at like 6 or 7. Then, ooh, my hand's getting tired. Let's see, the 30th. Then the 13th is 828 no prep down in Wilkesboro. If y'all remember that race from earlier this year, it's where the TKM guys ripped their car in half on the scoreboard. So hopefully it won't be like that this time. A little safer, maybe a little slower, who knows. I'm not sure what events Turbo John's going to, so you'll just have to check his stuff for that. Then after Wilkesboro, the 19th and 20th is the cash out, Darlington Dragway. If you have been following any of the Palmetto No Prep or Spooled Media, you know this is the biggest list, like the baddest list I have seen in a long time. We've got 5 or 6 street outlaw guys, including Big Chief and his woman. I can't remember her name. I don't really keep up with the street outlaw guys. But you know it's a big deal when they show up to a small town on the East Coast, 14, 16 hours from home, to come race with some of the baddest small tire guys in the country right here on the East Coast. Then 2 weeks after that, December 3rd and 4th, Digger Dies back at Rockingham for their final event of the year. I have not checked the lock-in list for that, so I'm not sure how that's going to go. But it's Digger Die. It's always a good time. Always worth checking out. And of course, all these events, they're my last events for the year. We're looking for media sponsors. We're looking for sponsors. So, y'all want in on some advertising for cheap? Hit me up. You get YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Hell, I even started a small TikTok. I don't get on there much. I view more than I post, but okay, branching out. All right, guys. Y'all take it easy. Y'all take it easy. See you later.